First of all, we need to understand what are the type of data that is going in and out of the organization, and how do we conduct our own data classification. Based on the data classification, we then identify the crown jewels. Based on the crown jewels itself, we will then tailor a specific data prevention policies to protect this important data. And having said that, with proper role-based access control, you will then be able to curb data leak issues. And with VPN solutions, these days are just not sufficient, and we will definitely need things that is able to monitor on not just the server level type of items. We also try to provide a zero trust environment where we will track every individual's users that is trying to transmit data in and out of the organization.